Dude, I've been sleeping on Hugging Face, but they've done a lot since then. Like they've raised a bunch of money. I'm pretty sure they've valued it over $1 billion. Let's see. They've added heaps of new features. Yeah, $2 billion valuation. That's huge, guys. Very valuable company. They host a whole bunch of models, and they also allow you to run inference on them. And they've released this spaces thing now, so we'll look at that as well. But like traditionally, what Hugging Face was this models tab. So they'd host a whole bunch of models. They'd let people upload models. It'd be kind of like the GitHub for AI models. They have all these famous models on the front page, and you could probably find some more niche models by searching them. So WizardCoder I think is actually the best coding LLM, surpassing GPT-4 for Python, right? WizardCoder actually surpassed GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 and Claude 2 on the HumanEval benchmarks. So previously, nothing could touch GPT-4. It was like the smartest, best code, best everything. But now, these open source models are catching up. So it's really exciting times, guys. So let's try this hosted inference API. Write code to print out hello world. I mean, I know this is obviously very easy, but I just want to see if the inference works at all in the console. Oh, so it does the predictive text. Begin code. Import UI kit. Class view controller, and it stopped there because I guess there's a limit. Can we continue? Oh, you can just continue. Okay, great. It's some kind of UI kit Python. Very cool. But yeah, just like that, you can run any of these models in the web. I say any of these models, but I don't know if that's actually the case. It might just be the large language models and not the other modal models. So we can have a test. Let's go back to the home page. Well, not the home page, the model page. And let's try something that isn't a large language model. Stable Diffusion. Hosted by Runway ML. Okay, that's pretty cool. Text to image. Apparently we can. Let's say, man upside down on a laptop. Let's see if this works. I assume this one will be much slower because it's making a whole image and not just the next token of text. Oh, and there you go. You can actually do the image models as well on... So this is Stable Diffusion V1. Let's see if they have Stable Diffusion XL. I think it's SDXL. Here we go. SDXL by diffusers. Oh, but they've turned off the... Because it's quite a big model, so... Oh, wait. What was that? Here. Stability AI SDXL. Oh, this one has it. Let's see how better SDXL is at making a man upside down on a laptop compared to Stable Diffusion V1. But it's taking a long time. There we go. See, this man is actually upside down on a laptop. Whereas this one on the right, created by normal Stable Diffusion V1, is just hands on a laptop. But this is actually a man upside down on a laptop. Great. And yeah, so that was models. I think you guys get the idea. They've hosted a whole bunch of models that you can test out just through the web. We will leave that there. Let's see what they have next. They have datasets. Okay, this is awesome as well. So datasets are really useful for someone that wants to train their own AI models. You need a whole bunch of data in a specific, labeled, hopefully. So yeah, they also have a whole bunch, 60,000. And then spaces. This is the exciting one. Because spaces is I just got linked this tool called Drag-GAN. This was really hyped. It went kind of viral when it first got introduced. It's kind of like a way to manipulate images through dragging segments and stuff. And I could show you the demo. The demo was super exciting, guys. Let me show you that before I try it myself. Here, check this out.
I want to talk about Drag-GAN. Yeah, that's right.
See, look how they're making the face of the dog move. By first they select the nose and then they select the point where they want it to move. And it makes all the steps in between and generates all these new images to put the dog's nose there in a realistic scenario. So how cool is that? So we've got this man here. Let's see if I can maybe turn his pants into shorts. Is that how it works? Yeah. So we're gonna make some dots here. So I'm pretty sure it goes from red to blue, right? So we're gonna take the bottom of their pants and put them up here to shorts level. And let's see if we can turn this dude's pants into shorts with this Drag-GAN. Oh no, it's making his whole leg shorter now. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted. Whoa, did it just turn to a female or was it always a female? Am I tripping? Okay, so that didn't work out too well. Let's refresh this. Let's try again. It was a dude. Alright, okay, let's just move their arm. Let's make it do a T pose. See that? Okay, it's still the same looking guy. Arms are moving up, but not to the side. He's getting fatter. His face changed. His shirt's buttoning up. Okay, a lot of a lot of side effects here that we weren't expecting. Okay, he's really distorting now too. He's drifting off into the abyss. Oh wow, this is not performing too well. So the thing is here, they've pre-trained this model on a bunch of like, maybe the dogs will perform better. Let's try style-GAN dogs. Okay, dog. We'll just do the easy one of making it look, wait, what happened? Making it look a different direction, just like the demo. Surely that'll work, right? Come on, doggy. Look this way. Kind of doing it. There's a bunch of different parameters here that maybe would help. Okay, no, there we go. Now it's looking that way. Great, so the dog nose movement works really well. Let's see what other things they have in the spaces. Okay, seamless M4T. No idea what that is. Spaces of the week. These are all kind of demos. Speech-to-speech translation. Okay. Whoa, you can change your language. Let's do, what language should we do? Spanish. I kind of understand that. Can I use the microphone? Let's see. Hello, this is a test. I want to see what happens. Hello, this is a test. Okay, let's see if I can translate my voice to Spanish. This would be awesome for like YouTube videos and stuff. There's a lot of people that want my content in Spanish, and if this works well, that would be great. Seems a little overhyped. Yeah, Drag-GAN. Okay, let's see what about Spanish.
Hola, esto es una prueba. Quiero ver qué sucede.
Dude, that's so good. I guess it's. I wonder how it works. Because obviously it doesn't sound like. But yeah, it's still very impressive. Yo, we got a comment on YouTube, bro. How do you source your AI stuff? You're really on top of it. Y'all I always shout out to everyone in my Discord, especially Fruins. Lately, they've been suggesting me a whole bunch of stuff. Some of my friends suggest me a whole bunch of stuff. I follow some YouTube channels. I'll plug you guys into those YouTube channels now. This World of AI one is really good. This World of AI. They post a video like every day of something new. I really enjoy their channel. They only have 19k subs, so definitely check them out. There's a bunch of people on TikTok I follow. AI Andy is one. He's pretty good. AI Andy Huffel. I discovered a bunch of stuff through him. Text to sing. Oh, let's try text to sing. Select the melody. Dark Trap by Jerry. Write your lyrics. Bro is multitasking AI. Damn, how is bro so fly? Bro so fly, he passed the sky. Damn, Daniel, what a guy. Okay, let's see. If you keep going like this, you're gonna need to do captures for every AI. That's fine. I can do captures. I'm not a robot. It's good to know I can still work. Let's hear it. Ready, guys?
Bro is multi-done. Damn, how is bro so fly? Bro so fly, he passed the sky. Dang, Daniel, what a guy. It's king high.
Okay, this is more of a singy one than a rappy one. Ooh, image to video. Just run one of their samples. Mona Lisa. Oh my god, that looks that looks creepy. But pretty nice animation, like pretty smooth. You just ignore the face. Very cool. What about Snow White? Oh my god, why does it mess up the face so bad? Okay, what else do we have? Dude, there's so many spaces. 4,846 spaces. So this is kind of like Google Colab. Okay, I think that's enough for spaces. But yeah, they have so many. Probably anything you could imagine is there. Let's look at their pricing. So with a free account, you can host unlimited models, datasets, and spaces. Access all of the latest tools and have community support. If you pay, you get a badge, access to early features, and a high tier for the free Inference API. So probably you can inference stuff faster, generate stuff faster, and train stuff faster. Pretty amazing free tier that you can use anything unlimitedly. They have what are these solutions for just hosting stuff? They have tasks? What's this? Hugging Face is the home for all machine learning. Find what you need. Well, they have like computer vision that you can host or just use the image classification model. Kind of similar to Spaces, but I guess this is stuff that they have built in. Daily papers, so you could see every day all the latest AI papers. High definition text to video generation. Wow, this actually looks pretty good. Yeah. HF store. Oh, you can buy merch. Hey, yo. Hugging Face merch. They have a Discord, classrooms, forum, GitHub, blog. They have a lot to offer. Shouts out Hugging Face. Check them out, guys. HuggingFace.co. Probably the largest source of hosted models